Back then, she said these Woo stories about to get real.
Oh yeah, this shit, hey, we about to get wooed up, man. Everybody ain't gonna be blessed.
Everybody.
If you watching this shit, you blessed. After you see this shit, you blessed. You stupid blessed. You rich forever.
I don't know
you
what he
feel
said.
me?
Right,
We got it.
Hey, we got my boy Q.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Hate Your Jew Woo story, man. Check him out. Check this video out on YouTube. It's the live performance. Let's do it.
Yeah,
Woo
yeah,
story.
yeah. Woo, woo.
It's one of the biggest records out of Orlando right now. Haitian Jew Woo story.
You niggas better not play with me. And you know a nigga keep that K with me. Know I'm on that woola. And you know my people do that woola. You niggas better not play with me. And you know a nigga keep that K with me. Know I'm on that woola. You feel me? Run that shit back, man. Man, that hook going stupid, man. You feel me? We here, man. Haitian Judah. You feel me? Woo story, man. IT New Live. You feel me? Free Kodak, man. I got up till you get back. You feel me?
Let me see the Z's in the comments. Let me see the Z's.
Y'all throw them Haitian flags in the comments, man.
You gotta put the zombie in the comments.
The zombies,
Yo,
the chickens,
you niggas better not play with me.
the flames.
And you know a nigga keep that K with me. Know I'm on that Buddha. And you know my people do that Buddha. You niggas better not play with me. And you know a nigga keep that K with me. Know I'm on that Buddha. And you know my people do that Buddha. Y'all sing that shit. Y'all sing that shit. Hey, listen. Let me just start by saying, better not play with a man, better not play with a fam. Matter of fact, just pay the man. I ain't saying that shit again. You can get fucked in the end. You can get fucked in the pen. It's like playing with Satan. I ain't too cool, I ain't Jew. Don't ain't fuck with fool. He's the woo. He got two tools to the fool. Serving dog food at the school. Bought a new school with the fool. He ain't used to it. It is new. Gotta show fool how to use it. It's a God blessing, don't abuse. Free reptile like they can. Used to act wild with the flam. Now he calm now, he a man. Mama proud now, I get banned. Roll loud, fucking sand. Chickens on fire with the fam. Throwing ones out to the fam.
Hey, to Jew boy, you the man.
I'm a rich nigga from the O. Used to sell nicks at the store. You a rich nigga, you a hoe. You a bitch nigga if you told. I'm a rich nigga, I fuck a hoe.
Free my real Z's out the hole. You a bitch if you say so.
I'm a hustler, I keep it going. Let's go. You niggas better not play with me.
Play with him.
And you know a nigga keep that K with me. Know I'm on that Buddha. And you know my people do that Buddha. You niggas better not play with me. And you know a nigga keep that K with me. Know I'm on that Buddha. And you know my people do that Buddha.
He got crazy in the kitchen.
Fuck with that song, boy. All glory to God.
He came and hit that woo in the
I like
kitchen.
that shit. But all glory to God. You know what I'm saying?
He came in. The energy's different in here right now.
I done changed the mood in it, you feel me? That's how you supposed to do it. Every time I perform this shit, man, y'all
At
listen.
least swallow it down.
Yeah, you feel me?
At least swallow it down.